strong. This is my dream. Pushers is on my team.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. So I am back with another video for you guys. And before I get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Today we're doing a budgeting video. I did my last budgeting video 2 days ago. A lot of people like it, but some people needs an explanation of the difference between cash envelope and sinking funds. So in my budgeting system, I have two binders. I'm using a cash envelope system and a sinking fund system. Here I have written out the difference between the cash envelope and the sinking funds. For the cash envelope, it's everyday spending. It's spending that's going to come and it will be here in a period of 4 weeks. So that's like rent. For me, my cash envelope system would be my rent, my Department of Water and Power, SoCal, that's the gas company, Wi-Fi, cable, insurance, and gasoline. That's my cash envelope. I have to keep up on that. That's mandatory. And then for sinking funds, these are like future expenses. So these are like expenses that you don't necessarily have to maintain, but it's nice that you do. You see what I'm saying? So my sinking funds would be Drea, credit union, car maintenance, good deed, vacation, and just anything. If you wonder like, how come you don't have groceries and all of that kind of stuff? Well, I don't really necessarily need to have like groceries and those kind of stuff, just because I eat what I want when I want, and it's not like I stick to a grocery pattern or whatever you will call it. I just eat whenever, whatever, and that comes out of my anything money. And sometimes if my anything money runs out, I go to my good deeds, and that would be good deeds to myself. All right, so that's how I break down my cash envelope system and differentiate it from my sinking fund system. All right, so let's put that to the side. And then here we have our money saving chart. I was planning on doing a $5 saving challenge. However, when I came across this chart, I figured, can I do that? And yes, I can. Okay. So I switched up from the $5 challenge to this challenge. This challenge, you do not have to do it in any particular order, and you do not have to do it on any particular timing. Okay, just go at your own pace, do whichever one you want to do. For instance, the $5 that I had in the 100 envelope box, I will be using that $5 to start this challenge. So because I'm no longer doing the $5 challenge, right? So I'm gonna put it over here. Let me take this out so we can get a better. Okay, so what am I gonna do? I have here, I have the $5 from the $5 that I was gonna do in the $5 challenge, and then I also have $2 extra for today, so that's $7. So I put that $7 together, and let's see if we have $7 on here. Oh yes, we do. So I just go ahead and I color that in. Okay, so this $7 go with this challenge. What I do need to get though, I need to get an envelope for this challenge so I can put the money in. But for right now, I just so since I color that, I just put it back in here, and then I just kind of sort of put the $7 back here. Hopefully tomorrow I remember to get an envelope. Here we have some coins, and then we can let me get my pan. So I really do hope you guys can see. I hope I'm in frame. So here we have my coin. This is my coin pan. And if you're wondering why I have paper money in the coin pan, it's just because I am trying to help my future self. Like, I don't want to have to go through checking all these coins. So I kind of like sometimes change them out to the dollar bills and put them in there. So this is all the coins I have for this week. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add them to my pan. So in my coin pan, I have $69.01. That's nice. I like it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share them with your friends, comment, and subscribe. I almost forget. If you want to be a part of this money saving chart, I will link this printout down below so you can print it out. I got this off the internet, so it's free. You can just print it out at like Staples or one of those places. Thank you again for watching. If you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so when your girl posts a new video, you'll definitely be notified. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.